Here is how you can quickly and easily redesign or reshape a design or image if you have Canva the free version. So click custom size, then enter the dimension you prefer to redesign your graphics to. So let's use inches here. Set this to inches. For our width size we are using 17.525. Then for the height we are using 11.25. So click create new design. So this is the workspace that we'll be using. This is the workspace we are using. So click on the add button, go to projects, below projects, then from your previous projects you have done, click see all. Let's use this project. This is a 6 by 9 inch graphic, so let's click it. Now let's say we are re-editing this to fit this particular one. You can just easily do this. Remove all this, let's remove all this, and stick with just the fridge and food. That's all.